Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have done a bit of modeling of this particular bathroom over here. So let's continue it. So now what we'll be doing over here is like we'll be modeling few of the elements over here. So let's go over here into this side view and let's take a line over here. So select this vertices and let's give a bit of fillet and after that let's go into this spline and we can give a bit of outline and give a extrude modifier. So we'll just place it over here. We'll reduce this, slightly push it down. We can give a cloth modifier also if required. So I'll just convert this to editable poly. Select this. Let's give some connects over here. Give a connect over here and let's give a turbo smooth. So we can just add a turbo smooth over here. So after that, let's duplicate this, put it on top of it. So now we'll create a photo frame over here. So we have a lot of foliages over here. If you want to create, you can just go with that. So slightly just push this over here. Go into the side view and we'll shuffle it a bit back. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons and let's give a bit of inset, click OK and we'll create this two bottles over here. For that, let's take again a line over here. I'll off this auto grid. Just slightly shuffle this. Okay, so let's go over here, select this vertices and give a bit of fillet. Alright, so we have a modifier over here called Lathe Modifier. So let's just give a Lathe Modifier. Go into this, slightly push it a bit inside over here. So we have model this bottle, we'll keep this over here. So simultaneously we'll again take one more duplicate of it. Take one more duplicate, push this behind, select the vertices and we'll increase its height a bit. Alright. So we can make a cup or a jug over here. We can use that. Let's take a teapot over here. So I'll go into this, I'll off the spout and lid and I'll give a taper modifier. So let's add a taper modifier, and let's give again a stretch modifier. So you can add a stretch modifier. Alright. Now, same way, again we'll just duplicate that. I'll activate this, make it to 90 degree. Scale this. Put it over here. And you can convert to editable poly, and you can go over here into the free form, and you can use some kind of relax, or you can use some push and pull. So you can just reduce the size of the brush over here, and you can reduce the strength of it. Just reduce the strength. So you can make it uneven if required, or else that's fine. So take a cylinder again. So convert to editable poly. Select the bottom edges over here, and let's go over here and give a bit of chamfer. Select the polygons over here, give a bit of insert, and let's delete it. So now you can go over here into the modifier list and give a FFD cylinder. So go into the top view, go into the control points, and you can slightly adjust this wherever it is required. You can adjust that. Alright. This you can generate through alpha maps also. So again, take a cylinder over here. Take a cylinder, and let's give a taper modifier. So we'll be creating this foliages in the end. So definitely, but we'll create it surely. You can give a bit of curve if required. So convert to editable poly again, and again I'll add a FFD cylinder. So select this. Again convert to editable poly. So select this polygons again, and let's give a bit of inset, and let's just delete it. Much better. So I can just slightly scale it and make it look bigger. Okay. Again take a cylinder. So reduce the height segments, convert to editable poly. Slightly I'll go over here. I'll give a bit of inset, not much. Click OK. And push this up. So now what I'm going to do over here is like, I'm going to mirror it in z-axis, and let's attach these two elements. Select this polygons and give bridge, so you can easily join this two elements. Again select the polygons, insert it, again give a bit of extrude, again extrude it. So I'll scale this, shuffle this up, again insert it. So I'm just slightly inserting this, again extrude it. Alright, again extrude it up, so select this polygons, extrude it by local normal, click OK. Let's add one swift loop. So we'll add one swift loop over here. Select the polygons over here. So I can slightly extrude this, extrude this over here. Let's put one edge loop over here and slightly shuffle this down this way. Alright, so save your file again over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So as you can see, we have done a lot of stuff over here, but still many of the things are left. There are many small assets. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.